All right, so again, we're gonna show you some dilution ratio science, I guess you could call it. When you're diluting products, you're not only saving yourself money, but you're also making sure that you have some efficiency. So you're taking a concentrate, putting it in a ready-to-use kind of vessel, and then from there you can use a gallon, you can use 5 gallons. Really just kind of depends on how much product you're using. For me personally, I tend to dilute from a gallon into a gallon. For stuff that I use a lot more frequently, like Dark Fury, I'll actually dilute that into the 5-gallon pails. So today we're gonna show you Pink Perfection 10-to-1. So you're gonna take roughly 11.5 ounces of Pink Perfection, which we have here. We've got our gallon empty with water, and we're gonna take the 11 ounces and pour it in with our water. And since we've looked up the ratio of what you need from chemical to water, this is gonna give you a 10-to-1 ready-to-use formula that you can use in any of your spray bottles. So today's example, we've got the 32 ounce. Put that in there. Since we've got our product in here, always like to make sure that you mix it well. Give it a couple shakes. And now you've got 10-to-1 Pink Perfection all-purpose cleaner ready to go. I like to just get it until the bubbles start coming out the top. Never gonna get it fully full just because of the bubbles, but there you go. Now you're ready to go. Ready to clean an interior, ready to clean mats, and that's Superior Chemistry 101.